Holi, the festival of colors, love, and joy, is just around the corner. As people come together to splash colors, share laughter, and enjoy delicious sweets, it's equally important to remember that safety should be a priority. This guide will walk you through essential safety tips to ensure that your Holi celebrations are not only colorful, but also safe and respectful. First and foremost, let's talk about protecting your skin and hair. The excitement of playing with colors can sometimes overshadow the potential harm that certain pigments can cause. Before you step out to join the festivities, it's crucial to create a barrier between your skin and the colors. Start by applying a generous amount of coconut oil or mustard oil on your face, hands, and legs. This not only protects your skin, but also makes it easier to wash off the colors later. Additionally, don't forget to slather on some sunscreen if you're celebrating outdoors. This will help prevent sunburn and keep your skin safe from harmful UV rays. Your hair also deserves special attention during Holi. Applying a good amount of coconut or olive oil to your hair can prevent colors from sticking and causing damage. Consider tying your hair in a braid or bun for extra protection. This simple step can save you from a lot of trouble later when it's time to wash out the colors. Next, let's focus on protecting your eyes, ears, and nose. These areas are particularly sensitive and can be easily irritated by chemical colors. Wearing sunglasses or protective glasses can shield your eyes from color powder and prevent itching or infections. To protect your ears, consider using cotton balls or earplugs to keep colors from entering. Furthermore, when playing with dry colors, it's wise to cover your nose with a mask or scarf. This will help prevent breathing issues that can arise from inhaling powder colors. As you prepare for the festivities, it's vital to choose safe and eco-friendly colors. Not all colors used during Holi are safe. Many contain toxic chemicals, synthetic dyes, and even metal particles that can lead to skin allergies and respiratory problems. Opt for herbal, organic, or homemade colors made from flowers, turmeric, sandalwood, and natural extracts. These alternatives are not only safer for you, but also better for the environment. It's also advisable to avoid dark and metallic colors, as they are often harder to remove and may contain harmful ingredients. Water plays a significant role in Holi celebrations, but it's essential to be responsible about its usage. In many regions, water scarcity is a pressing issue, so be mindful of how much water you use. Consider playing dry Holi with gulal, dry colors, instead of wasting water. If you do choose to use water, avoid water balloons and plastic waste, as they can harm the environment and pose risks to others. Instead, use a bucket to pour water rather than keeping taps running, which helps conserve this precious resource. Holi is a celebration of love and happiness, but it's important to remain aware of your surroundings and play respectfully. Sadly, some individuals may use the occasion to engage in inappropriate behavior. Always ask for consent before applying colors to someone, as not everyone enjoys being part of the festivities. Ensure that women and children feel safe and comfortable during the celebrations, and be vigilant against any harassment or misconduct. If you notice any unruly behavior, don't hesitate to report it to the authorities or seek help. While traditional drinks like bhang and thandai are enjoyed during Holi, it's crucial to consume them responsibly. Excessive consumption can lead to nausea, dizziness, and other health issues. If you choose to partake, do so in moderation. Additionally, never drink and drive. Always arrange for a designated driver or use public transport to ensure everyone's safety. It's also important to keep children away from bhang, as it is not suitable for them and can cause serious health problems. What you wear during Holi can significantly impact your experience. To protect your skin from strong colors, it's best to wear full-sleeved clothes. Opt for dark shades, as they are less likely to stain than lighter colors. Comfortable footwear is also essential. Closed-toe shoes are a safer choice than slippers, which can lead to slips and falls in the excitement of the celebration. As you gear up for Holi, remember that safety should never take a backseat to fun. With these tips in mind, you can enjoy a colorful, joyful, and safe Holi celebration. Engage with your friends and family, share these safety tips, and encourage them to celebrate responsibly. After all, Holi is about spreading joy and love, and ensuring that everyone can partake in the festivities safely is paramount. Now that you're armed with the best Holi festival safety tips, you're ready to dive into the festivities with confidence. How do you celebrate Holi? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more festival tips and cultural insights. Now that you know the best Holi festival safety tips, you're all set to enjoy a safe and joyful Holi 2025. How do you celebrate Holi? Let us know in the comments below.